In my previous video, I provided a detailed, step-by-step guide on installing Debian 12. Whether you're new to Debian or an experienced user, there are several crucial tasks you should undertake after the installation. In this video, I'll explore the most essential steps to optimize your Debian 12 experience and fully leverage the capabilities of this powerful operating system. Let's take a look at these. Sudo rights to local user. During the installation, we created a local user, but this user lacks the permissions to perform administrative tasks on the system. To grant sudo rights to the local user, execute usermod command from the root user console. Configure the hostname. The hostname of your server should be a subdomain, such as server1.example.com. Avoid using a domain name without a subdomain part, like example.com, as this can cause issues with your mail setup. First, check the hostname in the /etc/host file and update it if necessary. The line should follow this format: IP address, space, full hostname including domain, space, subdomain part. Synchronize the clock system. It is advisable to synchronize your system clock with an NTP server, Network Time Protocol, over the internet. You can achieve this by running the command apt-get install NTP. Enable firewall. To secure a Linux system, it is highly recommended to enable the OS firewall. In Debian 12, we have UFW, which is sufficient for most needs. You can enable it and later customize or set rules according to your server's operations. Disable CD/DVD package repository. Whenever we install Debian 12 using DVD or ISO file, installer automatically configures CD-ROM package repository in /etc/apt/sources.list file. Post-installation, when we run apt command, it will throw an error because CD-ROM repo does not have a release file. So, to fix this, open the terminal, switch to the root user and comment out the line CD-ROM entry in /etc/apt/sources.list file. Add contribution and non-free repos. The contribution and non-free repositories are vital on Debian since they contain many essential packages that are otherwise unavailable. Some standard packages include proprietary drivers, fonts, codecs, etc. Install available updates for best results. For optimal performance and security, it's essential to install all available updates. Keeping your system up to date ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and protection against vulnerabilities. Run the apt-get update command to install all the available updates. Install the Build Essential package. Build Essential is a meta package readily available on Debian and Ubuntu distributions. It includes all the relevant tools and necessary packages for developers to build and compile software from source. If you plan to perform advanced compilation activities, it is advisable to install the Build Essential package using apt-install Build Essential. Install your favorite Linux apps. To enhance your Debian 12 setup, it's beneficial to install some essential tools. Packages like SSH Server allow remote access to your system, while text editors such as Vim or Nano enable efficient file editing. Utilities like wget and curl are crucial for downloading files and interacting with web services, and map is useful for network exploration and security auditing. After installing these handy tools, you can proceed to install your favorite Linux applications to further customize your environment. Upgrade your existing Debian installation to the latest version. Debian developers periodically release new and enhanced versions of the distribution, offering various new features, enhancements, and improved applications. Therefore, it's always best to upgrade to the most recent version. If you are using Debian 11 and want to upgrade to Debian 12, you can do so directly from your command line. After the upgrade, remember to try out the aforementioned list on your new OS. Now, let's explore how to accomplish this on a Debian system using the terminal.